Hi y'all, Karma here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully you'll want to subscribe and become a part of our holistic healing community where we do unboxings of spiritual type boxings, rituals, spells, ceremonies, herbal boxes. We do crystal grids and sound therapy and have all kinds of interesting videos planned for you in the near future. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again. Make sure and comment below and let me know you dropped by. Today we're going to be opening Lunarly. And Lunarly, you know, is one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's a monthly subscription box that revolves around the moon. So you receive your box prior to the new moon so that you can utilize it on the new moon, setting intentions. And so it's kind of like a whole monthly goal setting system is kind of how I see it. My box is $49.99 a month because I do order it monthly. But if you order it more than 1 month at a time, you do get a price discount, and all the subscription information is in the video description below for you. So let's talk a little bit about what we got last month in our box and give you any updates on it. Last month in the box, we received the Naturally Vain Shower Steamer, and I will have to admit, excuse me, I haven't utilized that yet, so I can't give you an update on it. The Jubel Natural Balance Essential Oil, and I have been using that. It's a lovely oil, and I'm really enjoying it. You know me and my oils. I can just bathe in it all the time, especially till I, move, and it's so hot and dry here in Arizona. We received the Peach Moonstone Raw Chunk, and that was absolutely beautiful. Peach Moonstone has such a peaceful, calming energy with it when you meditate. A wooden crystal grid plate, and I have not utilized that yet, but I'm super excited. It's all packed up to go up to the Colorado home so that I can do a simple crystal grid on it for you in a video soon to come. So those are the things we got last month, and as you can tell by the big box this month, this is a plant month. And every other month, 1 month they send you a plant, 1 month they send you a candle. So let's get right into this box and see what we got. Now I did cut open the tape so that you can kind of see. I love this box. Isn't that pretty with the cutouts of the moon? I just love that. And this is the plant part, so you'll shimmy this box out right here with the plant in it, and underneath is our other box with all our little goodies in. So let me shimmy this plant box out. So this is what the plant box looks like when you pull it out of the box. And then from here, you can just take this little piece off, lift it right off. And there's your pretty little plant. Look at that. Now I want to say these are like called arrowheads or something. I've seen them. Looks pretty yellowy, not very dark green. So we'll see how well this one does. It's even got one little yellow leaf here that's pretty yellowed and dying. So I'll give it some good nutrients and see how we do with it. But let's get it out of the box. So from there, you cut it just on these little seams right here. Let me show you. There's 2 little seams right here and here that you just cut, and then these boxes will just open up. A little bit of tugging. Okay. So as we pull her out, let's see here. Now they do have the moss on the top, and lots of people ask whether or not to leave the moss in. That's a personal preference, and it really depends on where you live. Like here in Arizona, everything gets so hot that this moss on the top actually keeps the soil a little bit more moist and helps with my plants, so I leave it in. But if you live in an area that has more humidity, or you start to have problems with bugs in your plants, this is a hindrance because it can make it nice and moist, which is where all those bugs like to live. So we'll see. It is damp and does look in pretty good condition, other than it just looks kind of light. light green instead of a nice, healthy dark green. Get this put over here. Okay, so let's get out our little box. And see what else we have in here. I love these little boxes. I reuse them to organize a lot of my herbs or my crystals, or if I'm going out, I'll use it to pack things to go out and do a ritual. So on the top there, we have our little card, which I'll show you in a minute, and our brochure. And then everything else is down in the bottom. Trying to make sure I get the focus to work better today. On one of the last videos, it wasn't working very well. So here is our little card. It has our intention on it. And then it has the dates. There we go. So here's the little card. And it tells us the new moon is May 11th, first quarter May 19th, full moon May 26th, and the last quarter June 2nd. When flowers reach full bloom, it's time to welcome the moonflower. Think of what will help you to open up and blossom this month. Remember, flowers don't pollinate themselves. This moon reminds us that in order to draw the right opportunities in, we might have to put the right energy out. An intention to inspire, I welcome connection as I journey toward my goal. And the flower moon last year, I have roses that grow in my yard, and I actually made some beautiful rose beads last year this month, and when we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving one of those rose beads away. They were really fun to make, but really took a long time and almost the whole month, because I mortar and pestled all the petals with water to make the clay, to make the beads, and that kind of thing. All right, so then we have our brochure, and it says Flower Moon. And first I'll show you the back, because that tells us about our plant. And the plant is, Syngonium golden. I always thought I just called it an arrowhead plant. Has light requirements, water requirements, humidity preferences, and it does like humidity, optimum temperature, plant food, additional care, and toxicity. It says it is considered toxic. Ingestion may cause stomach upset, so don't eat the plant. Then on the inside, we have our brochure with our other items that I'll read as I pull those items out. So first we have, oh nice, a Konjac sponge, Afterspa. Turmeric Konjac sponge, and it says it is vegan. It does have that, kind of hard feel to it, but usually as you get them wet, then they get softer. It says rinse the Konjac sponge in warm water before each use. Apply cleanser or use alone to gently massage skin in circular motion. Rinse with water and air dry. Use twice a day. So I'm excited to have another sponge, and this one's a little bit different than the ones I've had before. Let's see what it says about it. Skin having a dull day, cleanse and brighten with this Afterspa Konjac sponge. Made from naturally porous root vegetables and infused with turmeric, this brush provides gentle exfoliation while deep cleaning and leaving you with a radiant skin. Before each use, rinse your turmeric Konjac sponge in warm water and apply a cleanser or use it alone to gently massage the skin in a circular motion. After each use, rinse thoroughly and squeeze out any excess water. Yay, I'm excited to try that. And you know that pre-ritual, I really like to do a bath, so this would be a nice alternative, whether it's in the bath or the shower. You could use this in the shower as well. Ooh, speaking of baths, Serenity Soap, luxurious bath tea. It looks like the label is on the outside. That's a little, I have to just keep it together, but let me see if I can smell it. Smells like roses. You can smell the roses. Let's see if it is rose. What's Serenity? Soaking in this rose-scented bath tea comes pretty close to the definition, enjoying the healing infusion of Himalayan bath salts for muscle relaxation, a blend of kaolin and French red clay for soft skin, and rose botanicals for skin hydration. Remove the label before using, place the tea bag into warm water, and allow to soak while you bathe. It's nice that it's already in the bag and ready to go. Oh, it smells absolutely heavenly. Oh, can't wait to use that. Then we have our little tray for our plant that comes in the box. And just so you know, these plants, just so you check it when you get your plant, do come in a pot that goes into the clay pot. So they may not stay in this very long before they need to be repotted. All right. Then we have something that it's, oh, a bag. Oh, nice. Kind of like a foraging bag, and it's a really nice, heavy canvas. It's got all the little moon or sun in the middle with the little spires, and then all the moon phases there. And it says, New Moon Energy. New Moon Energy. You know me and my bags, and especially with packing, this is always nice because I hate doing big boxes with just a bunch of things all over. So being able to put them in smaller boxes or in bags before you go, perfect. New Moon Energy Canvas Tote. What kind of energy do you want to bring with you into the new moon? Our New Moon Energy Canvas Tote Bag keeps life simple. Whether you use this tote to store your belongings or carry it with you on the go, our canvas tote bag serves as a reminder to let go and let it flow. Our New Moon Energy Tote is designed to keep things simple for storage and those grab-and-go moments. Measuring 15 by 16 inches, the New Moon Energy Tote design is printed on the front of the tote and has 2 cotton handles. Really nice, heavy canvas bag. I'm excited to use that. And last but not least, our stone for the month in our nice little velvet pouch. Ah, it's raw. Maybe Sodalite. It's got the blue with the white in it. Really pretty, isn't it? Really pretty. And it's got some nice little sparkly crystals in it too. Sodalite Gemstone. Sometimes called the poet's stone, Sodalite helps you find your truth. When you're having trouble expressing your thoughts, feelings, or needs, connecting with Sodalite can help you break through the fear and discover your voice. Hold Sodalite in your hand as you journal about or meditate on what you'd like to express. Yeah, a lot of your blue stones are going to be your throat chakra, and so that's going to help you with your voice and to express things and be heard and all that kind of stuff. Very nice. So in this box, we received the Naturally Veined Serenity Rose Soak Bath Tea, the Afterspa Konjac Sponge, the raw Sodalite Gemstone, the New Moon Energy Canvas Tote Bag, and the Syngonium golden beautiful plant that I've always called an arrowhead. So rate what a great box this month, Lunarly. I always give Lunarly 2 thumbs up. I'm excited to utilize these things in my new moon ceremony. Things are a little bit packed up and it's going to be kind of a weird month, so it's nice to have just something simple that I can make sure and take the time out even during this busy time of trying to pack and move to do a beautiful new moon ceremony. I hope you enjoyed your time with me, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up on this video, and come back and visit me often on the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.